Hi.
Cute birdie.
Thanks so much.
Bulgarian bird.
Where are you
Where are you
from?
from?
Oh, I'm from
Bulgaria.
I'm from UK. How about you? England.
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Nice,
Bulgaria.
man. You use TikTok.
Yes. Yeah,
She's really popular. She's got like millions of views. I'll send you the username. Go follow.
Okay, we're gonna search it. Okay. What's its name?
So this bird is her name is Rade, but basically his son, he's called Taku, and he's just like, yeah, Taku. I've sent you the name right now.
Finch Takova.
Finch.
For
Really small actually. See this like size of my finger. It just looks
so cute.
Thanks so much. There's so many weirdos on this app. Don't you agree?
I know. Yeah.
So many weirdos.
Oh my god, she's really popular.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
But damn, she's a celebrity.
Famous.
But she's cute. She's really cute.
Thanks so much. Take care. Bye. Bye. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Not good.
Why is that?
What?
Why is that?
Like, everyone is not happy.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm basically filming like a YouTube video, basically like a reaction video, because this bird is like really famous on TikTok. It's got like millions of like views and stuff. So I just make like YouTube videos, like reaction videos and stuff. So if you don't, it's trying to crawl up my arm.
Is it funny?
Say that again?
Is it
Yeah.
funny?
Yeah, like a funny reaction kind of video.
No, it is not. So what?
Say that again?
So what should I react? Like, wow, oh, it's a pretty. No, I will not that.
Jeez, she's fun at parties. Skip, man. Wagwan. Wagwan.
So now you call your husband.
Smoke. Thanks, man. Smoking weed.
I am.
Nice.
From the UK, yeah.
Yes, man. UK, man.
You one of them people that go around with the birds in the car and they just fly out, go eat a worm or something and come back to you like. Are you one of those people?
It's just a pet bird. If you got TikTok, it's really popular on TikTok. Millions of views.
I just think it would be bare cool if you was one of them people in it, like. Have you seen it?
What?
Have you not seen like the cab driver or nothing like that? He has like a pet bird, and he'll take him out in his cab in it. Basically, the cab driver will have like snacks in his apartments in it. People can hold the snacks out the window. He will unleash the bird, and he will come back, fly next to you, and like take the snack out your hand. But it is sick. I'm telling you. I bare wish I had the cabin in it.
I'll have a look. I'll have a search
honestly,
for it today.
Man, it's actually good.
I'll have a look for that.
Yeah, man.
Like,
I know it's shit on here, man.
You get some really weird people, man. Flipping weird people, I tell you, man.
Actually, yeah, you do. It used to be much better back in the day.
Wait.
Oh, she's cute.
Hi. What are you hiding your face?
No, man.
Show your face, innit?
No.
Why not?
Where are you from?
I'm from India. I'm just joking, man. I'm from England, man.
अरे भाई मैं भी इंडिया से ही हूँ भाई.
अच्छा, which state, man?
अरे कहाँ से हो?
मैं हूँ Indian, पर मैं UK से. UK, England. Why does no one talk on this thing? Man? Hi.
No, we're not. Oh!
Hi. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? You got TikTok? You got TikTok? He's famous.
I'm the biggest bird.
You got millions of views, man, on
Why you
TikTok.
look like that?
Say that again?
What?
You on TikTok?
Coin country.
Which country? TikTok.
Country.
UK, England, man, England. Yo, what's up, bad man? What are you saying? Hindi. I speak Hindi, bro. Kaise ho?
We are fine. What about you?
Good, man. You which part of India?
West part of India.
West, Gujarat.
Rajasthan.
Oh, Rajasthan.
Nearby Gujarat.
Yeah, I've been Rajasthan, man. It's really nice. I've been to like Udaipur, Jaipur. I've been everywhere, man. It's really nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from England. I'm Gujarati though. I'm Indian.
What? Wait. You are looking like an Indian.
Yeah, I do, man. I'm brown. That's it.
Yeah.
I'll give you the link. Kabutar ja.
Oh, you are recording now.
Yo, what you saying, man?
Why you got a chicken in your hand?
Is that a parrot?
It's a finch. It's a pet bird.
Oh, pet bird.
Where you from, man?
UK, bro.
Yeah, same, man. Which part?
London.
London. That's sick, man. I'm just making like a Omegle color reaction video. But if you're on TikTok, man, go follow the bird. It's got like millions of views. Really popular.
Safe.
I'll send you the link, man.
What's up, man?
Hello, how are you?
Hee hee.